Hi everybody. So in this video, we're going to look at evaluating expressions involving the roots of a quadratic equation. So we're told that the quadratic equation has roots alpha and beta, and we're given that the sum of these individual roots is -1/6, and that the product of these roots is 1/3. From this, we've been asked to work out the expressions in A, B, and C. So the first thing we're going to do for part A is we're going to expand out this quadratic. So if we have alpha beta, and then we have alpha times 1, so alpha, and then the beta, and then the 1. Now we've been given alpha beta in the question, and this is 1/3. So we can substitute this in its place. So we have 1/3. We're also given alpha plus beta, which is -1/6. And then we can just have to add 1 to it. We can work this out, and we get 7/6. Okay? So this is the answer for part A, 7/6. For part B, again, we're going to expand out the quadratic. So we've got 2 alpha multiplied by 2 beta. So for alpha beta, we've got 2 alpha multiplied by the -1, so minus 2 alpha. And then the -1 multiplied by 2 beta, so minus 2 beta. And then the -1 times the -1 will give us +1. At this point, we can factor out the -2 from these two terms. So we've got 4 alpha beta minus 2, and then this becomes the alpha plus beta, because when you multiply out the negative, you get the negatives back. So alpha plus beta. And then we'll add the 1. And again, we can substitute in the alpha beta, which is 1/3. So multiply that by 4, and we get 4/3, minus 2 lots of alpha plus beta, so -1/6. And then plus the 1. We can tidy this up to make +1/3. So you get 5/3 plus 1, which gives us 8/3. Okay? And then for part C, we'll expand the brackets out again. So we get alpha squared beta squared, or alpha beta all squared. Alpha squared times 2, so 2 alpha squared. Then we'll get 2 beta squared, and then plus the 4. We can tidy this up by factoring out the 2, so we'll get alpha beta all squared plus 2 lots of alpha squared plus beta squared plus the 4. The problem we have now is that we haven't been given alpha squared plus beta squared, but we can work this out separately. We know alpha plus beta all squared is exactly the same as alpha squared plus beta squared plus 2 alpha beta. So to work out alpha squared plus beta squared, all we need to do is move this 2 alpha beta to the left-hand side. So we get alpha plus beta all squared minus 2 alpha beta. And this will give us alpha squared plus beta squared. And we can work this out using our known values. Alpha plus beta is -1/6. And when you square this, we get 1/36. Minus 2 alpha beta. When we double this, we get 2/3. So minus 2/3. And this will give us minus 23/36. So then we can substitute this value back into here. We have this alpha beta squared, which is 1/3 squared, so 1/9, plus 2 lots of -23/36, plus the 4, which gives us 17/6. So this is the solution to part C. Okay?